evening from the Dubai Autodrome, down here for the Dodge muscle car experience. You can see these cars driving around on track. Got some guys out getting warmed up, as you probably hear in the background, for drift experiences and drifting on the circuit as well. And then hopefully myself, Len, and a few of the other guys will be able to get our cars out on track for a few laps as well. Stick around, I'll show you around a bit. Dan from Car Culture is down here in his RB26 GTR. Hope we can pick that up in the dark. That is a stunning little car. I think he's just bought some new wheels for it, although he might be trying to keep that quiet, or now we'll just let everybody know. Here we are down in pit lane for drift night. Let's take a look at some of the cars. Some of these are just raw. Look at that. Tank in the back. That is as basic as you're going to get, I think. Take a look down here. Tuned and bright. Lovely BMW setup. That looks great. It's going to be interesting to see some of these go around on the track. First night here down at the Dubai Autodrome for this event, so good to see a good turnout, good crowd. Should be a great night. We are looking for the Flat.12 boys everywhere. Where are you, lads? Where are you? GT2 about to go out on track. Teamwork. Definitely the thing that keeps this car going. Down here at the Autodrome, Len's Beetle's all ready to go on track. We've got a bit of a line up here which we'll go through. Picking this up on the light. Beetle, got the 930 down here. Baby and Subaru, which is something like 700 horsepower or something like that. Monster of a car. Old school Supra. Japanese cars down here, but old school night. Now they've released the new Supra. Dan's GTR, as we mentioned earlier, and then a little bit of a Z-liner. Here we go.
Sorry, will you stop?
Colourful language and all.
We're quite used to that.
That's
An Irishman on camera just doesn't work.
that's some great peeling.
Thank you.
Coming out of this corner again, if it lets go here, it goes to the inside. There's no runoff. Again, it's
they must have listened to you because they're all really slowing down there.
And I know on other track days they'll have it set up so that you know when to brake. There'll be there'll be a cone for the apex.
Yeah.
Now for us, obviously, have you got a cone for when Len will start to indicate? Helmet picking time.
Sized.
I think you need
I've got very
a double XL.
I'm going to be outside.
This is where you say I need double XL and everything.
No problem. Ready? Look at that. That's the face that sells cars. And we are race ready down here at the Autodrome, waiting to be called. I think we've probably got about another 10 minutes. I think we'll be joined on track by the Abrath, the GT2, and perhaps a couple of other cars as well.
Slowly through the pits. There was a 40 kilometre limit though.
breaking the first track rule already. And we haven't even gone on track. Right, where's the window? I meant to do the windows up.
Yeah, you do it up a bit.
Where is the window?
I'll do it for you.
Okay. 1952 versus 1985. Okay. I think they're checking way too many things on Len's car. Sir, do you have a steering wheel? Do you have indicators?
Can you please stop opening the door?
She's holding on.
It's literally just a buzz on it.
And the crowd love it.
Oh, the crowd.
Yeah, absolutely love it.
I don't think the mic's picking up the screaming.
No. Ooh! I think I caught that. She's gonna get choppy on the straights.
We'll just sit behind that.
Maybe he's enjoying the the views.
Surely that thing can get... You're kidding me that it can't get past. Surely it can go. There we go. Go on.
Go on. Don't underestimate the Beetle. So how's the temperature, Scott? These
the
ones are
steering
probably
wheel.
all right. It's the temperature of us. Oh, Len's got away. Oh, she pulls this car.
Yeah.
I reckon you should give the GTR a run for the money.
It's just the corner. She doesn't hold well.
There's a bit of body roll.
Yeah. Oh,
What flames? Is there someone else out on track?
yeah, the GT2.
Ah, okay. So, swapping seats.
Yeah.
This is a lot more bumpier.
Is it?
Yeah.
A lot noisier, a lot hotter.
It was quite hot in the other. Geez, she is bumpy.
And you got AC in there.
No? Wow. I don't think it works.
I'm sure that's a lot better.
Yeah. It's quite, it's quick. But there's quite a lot of body roll in the corners.
Is it?
Yeah. Just like a casual Sunday morning drive.
Yeah. It's definitely a going down the pub car.
Yeah. Do you know it shoots flames?
Huh?
Shoots flames.
Does it?
Yeah, we got it just here.
Oh, brilliant. I didn't know that.
Hit that racing line, hit the apex.
I'm catching down here.
Full throttle.
Poor thing's never been so fast. I don't know how fast I was going down the straight. Probably 110.
Does your speedo work?
No, because it only goes to 80 clicks or something.
Overtaken, go on. Get alongside him. Now he's posing. Poser.
There he was, gone.
That's it from us down at the Autodrome. Special thanks to Dodge Muscle Car Experience, Driven Social Club, Flat.12, Car Culture, everybody that's helped us get out on track today. See you later, guys. Click like, subscribe. See you soon with a new video. Bye.